How to make gold, silver, copper hollow beads. Step 1. Induction melting furnace for metal bars casting. Put the material into the crucible and start melting. Melting time is about 3–5 minutes. After melting, pour the molten liquid into the mold for casting. Step 2. Rolling mill for metal strip rolling. Roll the metal bars into the required thickness. Step 3. Cutting the strip into required size with slitting machine. Input the raw strip. The slitting speed and coil speed is adjustable. Separate the cutted strips and leftover materials. The cutted strips have no burrs. Step 4. Tube welding machine. Input the cutted strip. When the copper tube reaches the welding position, manually press the welding button to weld it. Seamless welding. Step 5. Tube drawing machine. Draw the metal tube to the required diameter. Step 6. Bead making machine. Put and fix the copper tube. Click the start button to start hammering the tube into beads. Step 7. Bead polishing machine. Metal beads made by bead making machine. Place the beads in the polishing disc and then start polishing. The left is unpolished, and the right is polished. Welcome to Inquiry with us.